Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday and I am Damaris, and today I got new nails from JEM Nails. I love JEM Nails. This company has a lot of different types of nails and glue, and now recently there's apparel on their site, so very happy to rep and show what they got. I ordered these metallic lavender. They're just a normal short nail and they're adorable. I have them on right now and I'm just so excited and happy about them. They're really good. I also got some glue because I did need some extra glue, and the applicator is a brush, so I'm actually happy about that because it's easier to kind of clean up or handle. And I got the very last pair of the Blair nails, and I was so happy when I got that. I don't know when they're gonna get these back in, but I will leave a link for you in the description, so you can see the actual Blair nails. They are one of my favorites, and of course one of her many thank you letters. So she's always very kind, sweet, Jade. So yes, very happy about that. So let's get started, shall we? Just like any other nails that you get, you gotta buff your nails out, make sure that you get rid of all of the crust and possible like oils, things like that on your nails. You just want them to be a good buff, clean surface. Once you're finished with that, you're gonna just grab your nail polish remover or your acetone, clean up and it's gonna leave your fingers a little rough, but you'll live. Fun times with that. And then afterwards, now some people do this before. Oh, sorry, that's my alarm going off if you hear it, but hey, we're gonna keep going because no stopping this train. Some people actually size their nails beforehand. I didn't do it for this video, but you also want to make sure that you pick the correct size of your the correct size of your nails, like I did. And then once you've done that, then you're ready to glue on. And somebody did ask me about that thing on my hand, as if it was like a burn, and I just so kindly, the one on my tattooed hand, and I kindly told him, me being a hiker that I love, brushed up against some poison ivy, so it's healing still. So what you gonna do? So what you do is you just take your glue applicator, and again, this glue is pretty easy to put on, which I like, and you just brush it on like it's nail polish pretty much, but you still want to make sure you have a good amount on there, and you just get to gluing. I just got an email or something. Sorry everybody, but you know what to do. Get to gluing. And yes, so these are, like I said, they're not my favorites so far, but I do love metallic stuff, so this was a sold for me. Cool. Now we have done the other hand. Our nails are done, and I got a little bit of glue on the side, but that's okay. It's easy cleanup for these. Oh, I am so happy my nails don't look as sad as I am right now. Things have just been absolutely horrible, but what you gonna do? I did my nails. That's pretty much all I can do right now. Well, I hope that everybody enjoyed this video and the little bit of personal information, some alarms and some emails going off. Hey, but you guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. I am going to leave a link to Jemnails, Blair nails, if you wanted to see those. Maybe she'll bring them back if we keep like begging her or something.